I live 40 minutes from the nearest store, and when I get a craving for chocolate, I'm not going to drive that distance for it. I'm going to make it at home. This is cranberry almond chocolate bark. It is so delicious. Stick around. Let me show you how it's made. All you need to make this chocolate is 3 ingredients. We've got maple syrup, cocoa powder, and coconut oil. Now, I'm going to start by melting the coconut oil. I melted the coconut oil in the microwave, just pouring it into this bowl. Next, add your cocoa powder. And finally, your maple syrup or sweetener of choice. Give this a good stir. Until all the cocoa powder is combined. Get all of that out of the bowl. I think everything sweet needs a little salt to bring out the flavor. I'm going to add the dried cranberries in along with some chopped almonds. And all we need to do is chill this, and we're going to have a most delicious sweet treat. This keeps in the fridge for quite a while, but it won't last long because you're going to want to eat this until it's gone. It is so good. Here in the Grocery Ninja Kitchen, we're always coming up with ways to save money on food because everybody has the right to eat well and not spend a lot of money. Until next time. So good.